Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'm showing you how to make a very easy crochet strap pattern that's perfect as an accessory for bags or clothing. This simple yet stylish strap can be customized in any color or length, so let's get started. We will start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. And insert the hook into the loop and get started with the foundation. We need to chain 7 as the foundation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then we are going to go into the back loops. You can just turn the work like this and see the back loops of the work. And we are going to skip the first back loop here and go into the second back loop and create a single crochet. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. We will go ahead and work the second single crochet into the second back loop here and work the third single crochet into the third back loop. Like that we will continue. Make another 3 single crochets into the next 3 back loops. 1, 2 and the last single crochet goes to the back loop of the very first chain here. This is what we have completed. And then we will chain 1 and turn the work clockwise like this. And then if you look at the stitch here, you can see there is a front loop and a back loop. We are going to go into the back loop only. And then we will go into the loop of the foundation chain here and work the single crochet into both the loops like this. Again go into the back loop of the next stitch and go into the loop of the foundation here as well, and then create the single crochet. Like that we need to continue working another 4 single crochets into both the loops as shown here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then chain 1 and turn the work again. And we will just do the same thing. Go into the back loop of the stitch here and go into the loop here as well, and then work the single crochet. Like that go into both the yarn strands to the back loop of the stitch and the yarn strand here as well. Just like that we are going to continue working single crochets into both the loops until the end. Now I have completed the row. Again chain 1, turn the work, and we need to just repeat the pattern. Just make sure that you have 6 loops here and 6 loops on the second line as well, and then continue working the single crochets into both the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1 and turn the work, and then repeat the pattern until you get the desired length of the strap. This is what I have completed, and I'm going to stop working from here. To that we need to chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Now we will just use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed making this quick and easy crochet strap. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting!